The purpose of this presentation is to give you the information you need to get involved with MGGKC committees. Committees are vital to the development of any successful project. We encourage all EMGs to find a committee where they can be creative and use their skills and knowledge to design projects for the public and the general membership. Be sure to read and sign the AVA before you volunteer. For certification, you'll need to log a minimum of 2 hours attending a committee meeting. Watch the biweekly and mggkc.org for upcoming committee meetings. To find current committees and contact information for chairs and coordinators, log on to the members side of mggkc.org using our universal username and password that can be found in the orientation packet and in Intern Training Video Part 2. Click on Organization. A drop box will open. Click on Advisory Board and Extension Leadership, and a new page will open. This page has all the information you need about how to get started volunteering on a committee. At the top of the page, you will find contact information for our MU Extension faculty. Next, you will see information about the makeup of the MGGKC Advisory Board. MGGKC has 5 standing committees: Membership, Community Projects, Education, Fundraising, and Communications. Each one of these committees are led by a committee chair, vice chair, who represents and votes for the whole committee on the advisory board. Descriptions of each of the committees. On the website, you will see this graphic. It shows you the standing committees from the previous slide, and under each of the standing committees are examples of current subcommittees. The subcommittees are led by coordinators, co-coordinators, who make up the standing committee. Coordinators do not sit on the advisory board. Interns and non-certified EMGs are able to serve as a coordinator. New subcommittees may be added while others may be dropped based on the needs of the chapter, EMGs, and the standing committee. Some of the subcommittees are ongoing while others have a start and stop date. Next, you will see the standing committee and the names of the current chair, co-chair. For online confidentiality concerns, their names have been blocked out for this video. Contact information for the chairs can be found in the interactive directory. Going on down, you will see a chart that has the standing committee with the current subcommittee and the coordinator's name. Again, for online confidentiality concerns, their names have been blocked out for this video. And again, you can find their contact information in the interactive directory. Here are the steps to help you get started. Be sure to contact any coordinators so you can get on their contact list. We are here for you and available to help you with your internship. Here is our contact information. Thank you for watching and welcome to MGGKC.